Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change Netflix language. If you open up Netflix and find that everyone on the screen is speaking a language you don't understand and you'll need to change the main language. In order to do so, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser first and in the URL box type in www.netflix.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Netflix account if necessary. Once you're signed in, from the home screen of Netflix, go and click on your usual profile button at the upper right. Now go to account from the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and click on your profile. Now under profile image, you'll be able to see a language option. Click on change link right next to it. You can also change your display language on your Netflix along with your shows and movies languages. In order to change the display language on Netflix, select the language from the top of the screen under Display Language category. Once you change the language, you'll be able to see the language of the text on the Netflix change. In order to change the shows and movies languages, select any one from the categories displayed under shows and movies languages and you'll be able to watch shows and movies in the selected language along with the subtitles. After you're done, click on save and you'll be able to change your language to a preferred one on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.